Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set screen color back to normal on Android phone. You can see how my screen is looking. It's because of color correction and stuff that you go to do, and your phone start to change colors like this. So all you simply need to do is you have to open up your phone settings, right? So once you open it up, you scroll down to accessibility, depending on where your own accessibility is. So this is the accessibility right there. And some has the option is supposed to be color and motion, while some can be vision enhancement right here. So you just click on it. So once you click on that, you go straight to color correction. You can see it here. Click on that, and once you click on this, you have to turn this off. See it right there, and now everything will turn back normal. So let's go back and see. You can see it's now normal. It's no longer like that color before. So just this simply how to change the screen color back to normal. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.